Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you the all-new 2024 NIO ET5t. This one is the most cheapest electric crossover or electric vehicle under the NIO lineup. We used to see this model before, but they have upgraded a little bit. It got different colors, few different colors. That one is the red color. This is a black one, and also has got a color like this, but this one is the ET5t. So let me show you this vehicle. There are two different versions, 2025 model, only two different versions and two different battery packs, 75 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt. And your CLTC range, if you choose the 75 kilowatt battery packs, then CLTC range will be 530 kilometer, and the price is 41,000 US dollar. Yes, it's expensive, but is compared with some other SUVs, other vehicles, this one is the cheapest one. But if you use the 100 kilowatt battery packs, then your CLTC range will be 680 kilometer, and the price is 49,000 US dollar. Yes, 49,000 US dollar. Why it's expensive? Because this is the most luxurious Chinese electric brand. Their vehicles are safe. They use all aluminum for body and chassis. It can navigate. It has the automatic driving, automatic parking assist, and you can go to the NIO battery service station and swap the battery within 3 to 5 minutes. They use all aluminum for body and chassis, and they even beat Tesla in the crash test performance. That's why the price is a bit high. So let me show you this vehicle from the rear. So if you come to the rear, here we'll get a full LED tail lights. Also we get a NIO logo. Here's a radio antenna, which is also functional, and a 360 camera. There are so many parking sensors. Let's open the cargo. This is the hydraulic one. So we'll get 450 liter storage capacity at the back. 450 liter storage capacity, and if you down your second row, then it will be 1,300 liter. We get some lights in the cargo, so if you open the cargo in a dark place, no problem at all. Also, we'll get some space here for the tools. Here we get some space for the tools. So let's close it. They're saying blue sky is coming. So it's the hydraulic one. If you press that switch, then it will be automatically closed. So let me mention the height of the vehicle. The height of the vehicle 1.499 meter, almost 1.5 meter, and the length is 4.79 meter, and the wheelbase is 2.88 meter. Front wheel distance 1.96 meter, rear wheel distance also 1.96 meter. Here we'll get the Michelin's tire with 19-inch wheels, and your tire size will be 245 by 45 R19. So the wheels up there using the NIO brake, but if you want, you can choose the Brembo one. This one doesn't have the air suspension, but you will get around 20 centimeter ground clearance. So look at the vehicle from this side. The price range of this vehicle are pretty similar like the Tesla Model Y. And here we'll get the LED daytime running lights, so this will be visible in day and night. Also we'll get the LED headlight, LED high beam and low beam. Here is the logo, 360 camera, and a functional grille. Also got a functional grille. Let me check out the drag coefficient of this vehicle. You see 0.25 CD, so they have done a great job with the aerodynamic performance. And we also got a splitter at the front. So let's open the front. These are the electric pop-out door handles, and look at the frameless door. Let's open the front. So, okay, it's not open yet. There is the NIO ET5. This is the most luxury electric sedan. Should be the hydraulic one. So let me mention the power output of this vehicle. There are two different versions, but the power output is same. It's an all-wheel drive version. There are two electric motors, one in the front, one in the rear, and your power output will be 490 horsepower along with 700 Nm of torque. Top speed 200 km per hour, and 0 to 100 it will take only 3.75 second or 4.1 second. It also has got a red color. Wow, I love this color, man. I love the black one. Black one looks gorgeous. But there are so many customers, they prefer the red color as well. And here is your charging port. There are only one charging port. You can use the slow and fast charger. If you use the slow one, it'll take 8 to 10 hours. But if you use the fast one, then it will take around 20 minutes to charge your battery, around 80%. But you can go to the NIO battery service station and save the battery within 3 to 5 minutes. As I mentioned, all are, not electric door, but we get the frameless door. And you can move the seat like this way. And you can make it high and low. And here, these are the soft Nappa leather. But this vehicle, the price is a bit, cheaper than, I wanted to see, it's okay, a little bit, this is smaller for me, but that's okay. So let's close all the window. As I mentioned, they have done a great job with the aerodynamic performance, also with the noise reduction. I came here to check out the EC7, that white color. You can also check it out. Hi, Nomi.
在呢。
帮我开空调。
好的。
Nomi, right? Nomi can help you to assist in many ways. It can help you to... Hi, Nomi. 帮我快脚。Hi, Nomi. 帮我快脚。Here is the camera. So it can help you to, assist in many ways. It can help you to take the photos. It can help you to open the sunroof, open the AC, and so many stuff. Nomi can do it. Nomi can sing for you, dance for you. Look at the Nomi. But also, why this vehicle is a bit cheaper than the other NIO's vehicle, because in the interior they use Nappa leather, but there are no Alcantara materials. See, no Alcantara. That's why a little bit cheaper. This vehicle is a little bit cheaper than the other electric SUVs, like the NIO EC7, EC6, or ES7. There are no compartment box. These are the Nappa leather, and here we got same kind of screen. So this is the ET5t. We can check out the 360 view, and here all the functions are showing in Chinese, but for global market you'll get it in English. So this is also same. See, you can adjust the seat, everything. You can even select, you can use the same switch for different purpose, so you have to select it from here. So you can select it from here. And this one doesn't have the auto hood. This one doesn't have the auto hood. But if you want auto hood, maybe you have to add some extra money. And you can open the trunk from here. You can choose different colors. So this is a new design. You can choose different color to make your interior more colorful. And rest of the functions are same. Rest of the functions are same as the other NIO vehicles. So here also we'll get a leather upholstery wheels. It will be automatically adjust whenever you sit inside the vehicle. There are no paddle shifters. We got the NIO logo airbag, and there are some switches over here. Over here we'll get a small screen, so you can see the CLTC range and the speed of the vehicle through this screen. There are no auto hood. And if you see at this part, so this you get an off hatchet button, two cup holders, well, a charger, and also we got a big box with the armrest. We'll get enough space. Here also we got a light at this part. And if you see at the top, so look at the top, here we got two lights. So if you touch it, it will be open and close. You got a big panoramic glass roof. You cannot open it. And here, these are not the Alcantara materials, so that's why the price is a little bit cheaper than the other NIO vehicles. And we also got a mirror with the light. Hi, Nomi. One big home there. So let's go and check out the second row. So here we got so many chromes all over in the vehicles. So here in the second row, I am 186. So I get enough space, enough leg space, enough head space, no problem at all. Even the second row, this door are also the frameless door. See, it's very luxurious. And here we get the ear vent at the middle. There no screen at the middle, and also we get a one USB port at this part. So this is your USB port, and look at the seats. You can activate your seating seat masters, and here we got two cup holders, so you can hidden them like this way. As I mentioned, I will get a big panoramic glass roof. You cannot open it, so that's pretty well. And if you see at the top, so here we got the lights, but these are not the Alcantara materials. That's why I have mentioned it. This vehicle is a little bit cheaper because they haven't used the Alcantara materials in this vehicle, but they use the Napa leather. So there are two different versions, two different battery packs, 75 or 100 kilowatt. And CLTC range depends on the version you're gonna choose. It will be CLTC range will be 530 or 680 kilometer, and the price will be 41,000 to 49,000 US dollar. So that's pretty well. I will share more new vehicles later. Keep supporting me. Do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.